Welcome, and thank you for your interest in PK30 System. PK30 System is a privately held company in New York's Hudson Valley, just north of New York City. Founded in 2003 by Philip Kerzner and David Giovannitti. Our mission was to design and manufacture a better sliding door system, manufactured locally, shorter lead times, and an unlimited choice of panel materials. A system with a modern, precise design language with very narrow profiles. In 2007, Philip Kerzner took control of PK30, shifting the company's focus to commercial applications by adding swing doors, fixed panels, and operable walls. Customized solutions. This is an example of the conference room and principal's office of Spark Capital, a New York City investment firm located on the top floor of a building with no freight elevator. 8 foot wide by 12 foot tall fixed panels were knocked down for delivery. Glass sizes were reduced to fit into the building's passenger elevator by introducing vertical and horizontal mullions. Steel reinforcements were added inside the mullion extrusions to comply with interior wind load codes. Also, please take note of the swing doors here. They are the full 12-foot height, 3 foot wide by 12 foot tall swing doors. This customized solution is now a standard PK30 offering. We learned from customizing. The PK30 system is a meticulously designed and engineered aluminum demountable wall system, providing a flexible, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective way to divide interior space. Let's explore the multifunctionality of PK30 System's product line and see how design continuity is achieved throughout, using a systematic, modern, and precise design language from a single source manufacturer. The three main categories I'll be showing you today are demountable partitions, folding walls, sliding stacking walls, and office pods. Let's begin by taking a look at the demountable partition category, which consists of fixed panels and door options. The Cole Haan New York showroom, designed by Anderson Architects. Fixed panels may be built up to 12 feet tall and out to 12 feet wide, standard. Here's a 10-foot 6-inch high elevation with fixed panels and a pair of biparting sliding doors. Each door here is 4 feet wide by 10 foot 6 inches tall. Once again, the Spark Capital project is viewed from the inside of the conference room. You really get a sense of the height in this photo. 12 foot high fixed panels and swing door. Fixed panels may be ganged together, and the panel-to-panel connectors automatically set 1/8-inch reveals between panels. The Waugh Chapel condominium project in Maryland, designed by R.D. Jones. This 10-foot 8-inch high elevation has an 8-foot tall swing door with a transom above, and the photo also shows the crossed mullion arrangement. Swedish Covenant Hospital in Chicago, Illinois, designed by Anderson Mikos Architects. This project was ordered in a custom white color. RPPG Duracron baked enamel finish may be specified in any color. We do not stock any colors, and custom colors do require additional lead time. The fixed panels here have 10-inch high kick plates, and the fixed transom windows are in a segmented curve. Harvest Headquarters, a software company in New York City, designed by Front Studio Architects. The fixed panels here are sitting on top of a low wall. This law firm project in New York City was designed by Giora Aroni Design Associates. Fixed panels may be built to 12 feet wide and up to 10 feet tall when internally butt glazed, as shown here. Very clean lines can be achieved by using wide panels that are internally butt glazed. Inside and outside corners may be butt glazed as well, as shown in this photo. So to sum up, fixed panels may be built Up to 12 feet tall standard. Vertical, horizontal, or crossed mullions may be specified. All fixed panels have built-in height and sidewall adjustment to accommodate out-of-level conditions. Any panel material may be specified from 1/4 to 9/16 in thickness. Standard finishes are clear or black anodized. Custom colors are available on special order. Now let's take a look at the door options. The demountable partition category includes both swing and sliding door options. Sliding door options go beyond just the demountable category. We'll start by taking a look at all of the space reconfiguration possibilities using PK30 sliding doors. The New Jersey offices of Arup Engineers. Biparting conference room sliding doors with fixed panel sidelights. This is an 8 foot 6 inch tall elevation, with each sliding door measuring 7 feet wide. Notice that there is no continuous bottom guide channel. Most PK30 sliding door applications do not require a continuous bottom guide channel. This residential loft in New York City, designed by Desai Chai Architecture, has telescoping kitchen pantry doors with Lumicore panel material inserts. A condominium project overlooking the Hudson River on the west side of Manhattan. These telescoping sliding doors are 9 feet tall by 7 feet wide. They separate a guest bedroom from the hall. New York City offices near Herald Square. This sliding office door is set up with an FSB full mortise lock, key cylinder outside, and a thumb turn inside. PK30 integral flush pulls are side mounted onto the lockbox. Here are the most basic sliding door configurations. PK30 sliding door hardware is manufactured by Hawa in Switzerland, known for precision, safety, and reliability. Their superior quality hardware has been in service for more than 5 decades. Door weight capacities from 176 to 550 pounds allows PK30 to offer sliding doors that are taller and wider than any other demountable partition manufacturer. There are multiple bottom door guide options to choose from. A continuous bottom guide channel is available, but not required for most applications. In lieu of a continuous bottom guide, flush bolts that engage into dustproof floor strikes can be used to stabilize most sliding door elevations. In the triple sliding door example above, a flush bolt on the leading edge of the middle door stabilizes the elevation and leaves the lead door as a communicating door between rooms. Here are the pocket door variations. Please take notice of the pocket door closure strip added onto the back edge of the trailing door. This feature closes off the gap left in the pocket when the doors are in the closed position. FSB sliding door locks are standard when security or privacy is required. The sliding pocket door lock has an integral pop-out edge pull, and all FSB locks have standard North American cylinders, allowing you to match building standard keyways. Now let's take a look at some examples of sliding doors. This is the DuPont Corian New York showroom installation. It's called NXT Patient Room 2020, Hospital Room of the Future. It features telescoping PK30 sliding doors that provide wheelchair access into the bathroom. Swedish Covenant Hospital, designed by Mikos Anderson Architects. These single sliding doors into exam rooms have digitally imprinted glass made by Skyline Glass Company. The doors were specified with full mortise FSB privacy function locks. The mortise lock has an ADA thumb turn on the inside and is combined with back-to-back glass-mounted pulls. Here's a close-up view of the lock. The New York City offices of Wood Mackenzie, designed by GKV Architects. A combination of sliding doors, and very wide fixed panels. The fixed panels here have horizontal mullions and are internally butt glazed. Here's an enormous single sliding door measuring 12 feet tall by 9 feet wide. It closes off the condominium's sales offices from the lobby area. The project is called 1900 Wilson Boulevard, designed by R.D. Jones and Associates. This 1/4 inch thick glass infill in the door, combined with the frame, weighs a total of 520 pounds. The suspension track used in this application is exposed and side-mounted onto the wall barn door style. The Tick-Tock cottages in East Hampton, New York, designed by Houghton, Roth, and Joseph Architects. This is an example of a very basic pair of bypassing sliding doors. This residential installation in New York City shows the FSB pocket door lock with flush pull trim. The custom height lockbox here extends vertically from mullion to mullion. In this room, the architect wanted a floor-to-ceiling swing door at 9 foot 6 inches high, adjacent to an elevation with sliding doors. Michigan State University's new Plant Soil Sciences building, designed by Smith Group Architects. There are 4 floors of science labs, each with a 109-foot-long PK30 wall dividing the labs from offices. A unique feature shown here is PK30's ability to mount a sliding door to a transom. Here's the view from the lab side. You can see the suspension track mounted to the transom just above the sliding door. Sliding doors in this type of application are the perfect way to conserve and optimize valuable floor space. This is the Scout Capital project in Palo Alto, designed by Hayes Group Architects. A series of single sliding office doors and fixed panels in a clear satin anodized finish were specified here. The Waugh Chapel condominium project, designed by R.D. Jones, features a 12-foot tall by 4 foot 6 inch wide bi-parting pocket doors. Another example of crossed mullions. Here's a typical conference room layout for the American Federation of Arts offices, designed by Bromley Caldari Architects. It's a pair of bi-parting sliders opening out in front of fixed panel sidelights and no continuous bottom guide channel. So let's sum up all of the sliding door possibilities. Measurements: sliding doors up to 10 feet in width and up to 12 feet in height are standard. Sliding doors are made to order. Vertical, horizontal, or crossed mullions may be specified and placed in any arrangement. Panel material choices are unlimited. Anything from 1/4 to 9/16 in thickness may be specified. A continuous bottom guide channel is available but not required in most applications. Sliding door hardware capacity ranges from 176 to 550 pounds. Suspension tracks may be side-mounted onto a transom, and bottom rolling hardware is available when suspension mounting is not practical. PK30 swing doors are made to order. They feature full mortise locks from FSB or glass-mounted back-to-back bar pulls to your specification. The FSB mortise locks are available in any function and accept standard North American cylinders. Center pivot hinges are standard, and offset pivots are also available. Hardware options include concealed floor closers, surface-mounted door closers, door holders, electric strikes, electromagnetic locks, and door operators. Wood veneer swing doors may also be specified. They are factory machined for the hardware and factory finished for the best possible results. They arrive at the job site ready for installation, saving time and ensuring quality and accuracy. Let's take a look at several more examples of swing doors. Here's a single swing door with a side light for the 32 BJ project in New York City. The custom height lockbox here extends vertically from mullion to mullion. This is the Laborers International Union of North America project in DC, designed by Gensler. It really shows how well the continuity of design through multifunctional architectural elements can be achieved by using PK30. The two pair of 10-foot tall doors side by side reveal a view of the PK30 sliding stacking wall beyond. It's a perfect match. This pair of lobby vestibule doors at the Harvest project are on electromagnetic locks. You can see the strike mounted to the top of the open door. So let's sum up swing doors. Door heights of up to 12 feet are standard, full height or with a transom above. Center pivot hinges are standard, offset pivots are optional. Hardware options include full mortise locks, glass-mounted bar pulls, door closers, concealed or surface-mounted, electromagnetic locks, and/or electric strikes. 10-inch high kick plates may be specified for ADA compliance, and wood veneer doors on center pivots may also be specified. A lot of possibilities. Let's talk briefly about FSB hardware. We recognize the important role played by the door hardware in providing our customers with a quality finished product. FSB has produced door hardware for over a century. Their lever designs are so admired that 4 have been added to MoMA's permanent collection. They share our aesthetic and our determination to have design make a difference, and that is why we have partnered with FSB. Some important facts to keep in mind are: swing door mortise locks are available in all standard functions and use standard North American cylinders. Sliding door mortise locks are available for entry and/or privacy doors. The sliding pocket door lock has an integral pop-out edge pull. FSB has a wide range of levers and knobs and lots of finish options to choose from. FSB's clear and black satin anodized aluminum finish is a perfect PK30 match. We've covered the demountable partition category, so let's move on to operable walls. There are 2 types of folding walls, and here are examples of each type. This project, designed by Bromley Caldari Architects, features the Centerfold hardware system from Hawa. It has a centered suspension unit that allows accordion partitions to operate without a bottom guide. Extremely quiet running properties, small parking area space requirements, and excellent Swiss quality. Another feature is that the leading door may be used as a free swinging communicating door between rooms. The Woodstock Inn, designed by Asfor Guzzi Architects, shows the Variofold accordion wall. The Variofold system does require a continuous bottom guide on layouts with more than 2 panels. Illustrated here are some of the Centerfold system possibilities. Please take note that the geometry of the Centerfold wall system requires that the first panel be half width in order to fold properly. Panels up to 40 inches wide and up to 12 feet tall are possible. The maximum weight allowed per panel is 176 pounds. Bottom rail deadbolts into dustproof strikes stabilize the wall when in the closed position. The Variofold system shown here is similar to the Centerfold system, except that the panels are off to one side of the suspension track and not centered. Panels are all the same width when using Variofold. Let's take a look at several folding wall examples. The New York City offices of David Easton and Eric J. Smith, architect, is a great example of design continuity throughout multiple architectural applications. The Centerfold wall on this project was mounted under a custom-made transom. The New York City Yodel offices, designed by HLW Architects, features an 11-foot tall elevation that's 41 feet wide. This lobby elevation combines fixed panels, a swing door, and a centerfold wall. 3 different applications in one elevation. During the day, a large welcoming entry into the office space is created by opening the folding wall located on the left-hand side. During off hours, the 11-foot tall swing door that has an electric strike and card reader is used for entry. This is a brand new Center for the Arts Creative Technologies building at Virginia Tech, designed by Snøhetta Architects. In the building's lobby, a series of 12-foot tall variofold walls sit between fixed panels, and they open up to a gallery, a box office, and a coachette room. There's also a 12-foot tall swing door with panic device hardware, which you can see in the open position. This bird's eye view gives you a sense of the enormous scale of the project. Let's move on to the sliding stacking movable wall system. The VarioTech system is a sliding stacking solution. Its modular, pluggable suspension track system will follow your plans around and into every corner, giving you free rein, even for large-scale installations. All the more so considering the made-to-measure suspension tracks may be curved to any radii from 15 to 90 degrees. You can neatly stack a virtually limitless number of panels in a small parking area. The features of this system are: the stacking area can be parallel or perpendicular to the main track. The stack can be located within a closet. Foot bolts into dustproof strikes may be used in lieu of a continuous bottom guide channel. And panel weights up to 330 pounds and heights to 12 feet tall are possible with this system. Let's take a look at several examples. This is Gensler's new office space in Oakland, California. Now you see it, now you don't. It's a sliding stacking pocket wall. Let me show you. The walls of this conference room disappear inside of the closet located on the far wall, and no continuous bottom guides are required. Here's the completed corner conference room in place. The panels form a 90-degree outside corner. Here's a custom curved application for a new science research center at CCNY designed by FLAD and KPF Architects. This custom curved application separates an auditorium from a cafe. The suspension track is curved, but the panels are flat, creating a segmented curve. This is a rendering of our Office Pods concept. Office Pods are a quick and changeable office space solution. Office Pods offer a higher level of privacy than furniture system solutions. Locking, swing, or sliding doors offer basic levels of security, and the open ceilings may help bypass the need to reconfigure lighting, sprinkler heads, or HVAC ductwork. Office Pods are modular by nature, allowing the pods to be easily extended as your business grows or relocated to new premises. Here's a sampling of some of the companies that have used PK30 system and testimonials from several clients. PK30 Systems shop drawings are considered by many architects to be the best in the industry. Our shop drawings not only serve the architect and contractor, but are the production and assembly drawings for manufacturing. They also serve as a roadmap for the installers. And here's the finished and installed elevation. Our system installs very quickly and efficiently. All of the doors and panels are unitized. There's no assembly on site unless the panels are too large for pre-assembled delivery. Even so, knockdown panels go together very quickly. The system is installed before the glass goes in. Removable glazing stops allow easy glass replacement without having to disassemble the frames. Our system should be installed towards the very end of the construction schedule. It should be considered part of the furniture package. In this way, damage is minimized, and having clear access for other trades right up towards the end of the project is a real plus for the general contractor. Here's one of our installation sketches for training first-time installers. The PK30 system framing components are extruded in New York State from high-grade 6000 series aluminum alloy with a 62% recycled content. All of the fabrication and assembly takes place in our New York State manufacturing facility. Please refer to our LEED compliance documentation for additional LEED point information. Well, we hope that by seeing our unique points of difference, our range of capabilities, and the continuity of design achieved throughout all our applications has made an impression. Please feel free to contact us either through our sales representatives or direct for any additional information, literature, or samples. And thank you for your interest in PK30 system.